Hey, my name is Cassandra, and I'm here to tell you all about the party game Yama Yama! It has many different characters! Look at this one! This is a log with a road on his head! Fatsuki way to victory! How is this even anatomically possible? And we haven't even mentioned that Yama Yama features a lot of different game modes! They could be 600, they could be 20! Who knows? Buy it now!
This is Triple Agent. To play, you need 5 to 9 people and 1 mobile device. Most of you will be hard-working service agents. But the service has been infiltrated by a number of double agents working for Virus. In the end, it all comes down to one decision. Triple Agent is 10 minutes of intense bluffing and deduction. It's the perfect party game, requires no setup, and is easy to learn.